In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a delete in Clickup, turning those moments of panic into sighs of relief in just about 5 minutes. Now let's dive right into the process with some straightforward steps, shall we? Picture this. You've just accidentally deleted a critical task in Clickup and your heart drops. But fear not, because Clickup's got your back with a feature that lets you restore recently deleted items with just a few clicks. This feature is an absolute lifesaver, especially in a fast-paced work environment where mistakes can happen all too easily. First up, make your way to the Clickup website. It's the central hub where all your work comes to life, and more importantly, where you'll begin the journey of retrieving your lost task. Clickup's interface is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to the platform, you'll find navigating to be a breeze. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account. Enter your email address associated with your Clickup workspace into the designated field. Make sure it's the correct one, as many of us juggle multiple email accounts for various aspects of our lives and work. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to your Clickup kingdom, so keep it secure and complex enough to dissuade any potential digital trespassers. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Clickup offers a straightforward password reset process. After you've successfully entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Clickup dashboard. This dashboard is the command center for all your tasks, projects, and spaces. It's where the magic happens, but today it's also the starting point for our rescue mission. Navigate to your workspace home. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one where the deleted task was located. Each workspace is its own unique environment, so it's crucial to start your search in the right place. Look for the profile icon on your Clickup dashboard. It's usually located towards the bottom left corner and serves as the gateway to your personal and workspace settings, a place where you can customize your Clickup experience to your liking. Within the profile menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can tweak your notifications, task views, and more, but more importantly, it's where you can access the trash feature. The trash feature, the unsung hero of our story. Clickup's trash gives you a rundown of everything you've deleted within the last 30 days. It's not just a graveyard of tasks and documents, but a lifeline that can bring them back from the digital beyond. Time to play detective and sift through the items in your trash. It might be a trip down memory lane with tasks you intentionally discarded, but keep your eyes peeled for the one you accidentally deleted. It's in here, waiting for you to rescue it. Found it? Great. Now click on Restore next to the task. With that single click, your task will be whisked back to its original place, as if it never left. It's a simple action with a significant impact, allowing you to pick up right where you left off without missing a beat. And just like that, you've successfully undone a delete in Clickup. It's a testament to the platform's user-friendly design and its understanding of the dynamic, sometimes chaotic, nature of project management. Mistakes happen, but Clickup ensures they're not permanent setbacks. Wrapping up, it's clear that Clickup not only excels at task management, but also understands the importance of giving users the ability to quickly rectify mistakes. The Delete Undo feature is a prime example of how thoughtful design can create a safety net for users, enabling them to work with confidence and peace of mind. Before we part ways, a final tip. Regularly review your trash folder. Not only does it help you keep on top of items that may have been accidentally deleted, but it's also good housekeeping practice to clear out what you no longer need, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. There you have it, a simple, stress-free way to recover deleted tasks in Clickup. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't let accidental deletion slow you down. With Clickup, you're always just a few clicks away from setting things right. Happy task managing.